Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Techqflow Software Solution. So many of you were asking about the Excel shortcut keys, right? So today I'm going to explain you about those. Let's begin. Okay, for the Shift F+1 to insert a new worksheet. So if we press the Shift F11, a new worksheet will be visible on the Excel. Okay, second, Shift plus F12. If we press those, to save a file. Okay, so if we press the Shift plus F12, our file will be automatically saved. Okay, so next Shift plus F5. If we bring up the search box, so if we press the Shift plus Fy, we'll bring up the search box. Okay, so Control plus F12 to open the file. If we need any file to be saved, one to be visible in the Excel sheet, we need to press the Control plus F12. Okay, so Control plus F2 to print the file. So if you need any file to be printed, we need to press the Control plus F2 shortcuts. Okay, so Control plus F9 to minimize the workbook. If we need any third party app to be used, if we need that tab to be minimized, we need to press the Control plus F9. Okay, so Control plus F5 to reclose the windows. If we need to be shortcutly close to the Excel sheet, we need to press the Control plus F5. Okay, so Control plus F3, name manager. If your Excel name should be named, so you need to press the Control plus F3. So F2 to activate this cell. In the Excel sheet, if you need to be activate the cell, you need to press the F2. So these are the small shortcuts. So from tomorrow, I'll tell you the more. So please get back to these. Okay, like, share and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget.